Kitchens and bathrooms are the key rooms in any home, and whether you're building or renovating, they need to be practical and good looking. But they also add the most value to your home, so getting the right balance of fittings and fixtures is so important. As an interior designer, it's so important that I stay up to date with the latest fittings and fixtures for my builders and clients, and that's what I'm doing here today in the Cook's Plumbing showroom. It allows me to familiarise myself with some old favourites that I use all the time, but also to see firsthand the latest arrivals. And I've got to say, I'm a little bit excited. You can see a glimpse behind me. These items have just arrived. This is the brand new Liano II Colour Basin collection by Caroma, and I've got to say I'm excited at the possibilities with these beautiful colours. There are actually 7 colours in the range. There's matte black, matte green, matte pink, matte grey, a speckled finish, timeless gloss white, and very trendy matte white. Now, I love the colour option because they are such a contemporary range that provides so many options for you when you're creating your bathrooms, no matter what your theme might be. The greens have quickly become my favourite, and I'm using green in a range of homes right now. But the particular hue that they've picked for their green range I think is so on point. It's got those beautiful sagey undertones, and it will work so well with a range of finishes, opening up so many opportunities for your home. An exciting feature of the Colour Basin collection is that they're completely interchangeable, allowing you to personalise your look. Each of the colours come with their own matching waist, creating a nice cohesive and really streamlined finish. But you can interchange these with your tapware and accessory range, picking up the metallics. I could change this waist to become chrome, brushed nickel, matte black, but in this case with this beautiful green, how good does the brass look? It's so nice when you can create a cohesive space with all of the accessories and detailing matching. It's like when you're putting your jewellery getting ready to go out on a Saturday night. By being able to match your tapware, your accessories, and in this case the waist, this colour combination works so well. But it's not just about the colour, it's also about the finish. These are actually made with fire clay. Fire clay is a finer grain and it's baked at a higher temperature. It allows us to have this beautiful finish on these basins, but it also means that they're highly durable, really high performing and easy to maintain. So you end up with these really good looks, but a really high performing basin as well. Shape is also, of course, an important element in any room, and for basins it can completely transform the look of your bathroom. Here we've got a beautiful round basin in this nice pink finish. This is 400 millimeters diameter. It's perfect for a smaller bathroom or maybe a larger vanity where you want to put 2 basins like a family bathroom or an ensuite. We've also got the pill shape, which I've got to say is my personal favourite. It elongates the basin, which becomes also a practical addition to your bathroom space because it's so easy to use. It also replicates that shape if you've got a freestanding bath in the room, so I think that that's a nice way to unify the space as well. When it comes to design, I love options, and another unique feature with this new collection is a dress ring. It's actually a metallic ring that sits at the base of the basin, and it allows you to match this colour with all of the tapware ranges so that you can end up with this colour now here and in your waist, in your tapware and your accessories. How good does this look? Of course, classic white is a timeless choice, and each of these basin designs comes in gloss white and matte. An important consideration for me is adaptability with any product or range that I work with, and that's because all of the bathrooms and vanities come in different shapes and designs. Each of these shapes within this collection come in a range of configurations, from above counter to inset where it sits slightly above the stone, and undermount for those who are after a streamlined look. This collection also includes a wall mount basin. Now this is important to have continuity inside your home. It allows me to repeat that beautiful pill shape in all of the colours, and it's the perfect addition and value adding element in a home for a smaller powder room or separate WC. As you can see, I'm obviously excited by this brand new collection, and there's a reason why, because it allows me to include the latest items and a unique look for the homes of my builders and clients. And I also encourage you to come and visit your nearest Cook's Plumbing showroom to not only see the latest products on show, but to also allow one of their consultants to help you create a beautiful cohesive look for your brand new renovation or new home. To find out more information on these products, order online, or to find the nearest showroom to you, you can jump online at cooksplumbing.com.au.